I'm a bug geek. I love bugs. I love learning about bugs. I love killing bugs. I love it when a customer's freaked out and we get rid of the bugs and their nerves are eased. There is a difference between a bug geek and a paycheck getter. A paycheck getter looks for a job that pays well, goes in, does the job, and goes home. The manager gives him some chemical and tells him to go spray these houses, and they better get 15 a day or they'll get a talking to because the big boss won't hit his numbers for corporate. What a load of crap. There's a difference between a bug geek and a paycheck getter. I have trained guys from other companies who knew nothing about what they were doing and why. They were just following instructions. The problem is that doesn't always work. When a customer has a problem, you have to evaluate the best course of action, and that is rarely the cookie cutter approach the paycheck getter has been taught. There's a difference between a bug geek and a paycheck getter. If you know the enemy and you know yourself, you need not fear the results of 100 battles. If you know yourself but not the enemy, for every victory gained, you will also suffer a defeat. If you know neither the enemy nor yourself, you will succumb in every battle. Sun Tzu. A bug geek understands what bugs eat, what eats them, where they hide, what stages they grow through, what their fecal matter looks like, what their fecal matter tastes like. Okay, no, just kidding. The point is, you have to know what you're up against. If it bleeds, we can kill it.
If it bleeds, we can kill it.
There's a difference between a bug geek and a paycheck getter.
I stand upon my desk to remind myself that we must constantly look at things in a different way.